Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where we can learn and then we can having fun with drawing together. In this video, we will draw Bilimbi fruit. So I will draw with my little boy and then yeah, let's jump to the paper together. Alright, we start with the green color. Okay guys. Alright, at the first we need to make this shape. Alright, so from here like this. Alright, then like this, and to pick one like this, and then like after that,
like calling somebody.
yes, correct, like this. Okay, it's basically like a peanut. Okay, you can make it like this, more, make it like this. Yeah, right, correct. Okay, then after that we can give some color with this one, with the light green, right? So can give some color with light green. Slowly but surely, no need to be fast. You can enjoy the process of the drawing together. Right, make sure you give full, like in the corner like this. You can give some color also, right? Okay,
Like in the game versus zombie.
yes, yeah, anyone play game versus zombie? Yeah, it's cool game. You guys want to
Level
try
2, level 2.
level 2? Oh, you play until level 2, is it?
I still level 1.
Oh, you still level 1. All right, so now we going to give a branch. So from here you can use this one, this, right? Then give it something like this. All right, just small is enough.
You mean like this cute?
Yes,
like
correct.
baby.
Then you can give something like this to here. Okay, change this the dark green. Okay, then give it something like this, like one, then two here, then three, like this, right? So you can give us some color here like this. All right guys,
Like the hair.
oh yes, like the hair. So now it's time to give some fun thing. So use the black color, right? So here we can give some eyes guys, like this. Like this is eyes, right? You can follow at home. Okay, right, eyes. Then ear also like this, because two like this, two happy eyes. Wow, right? Then after that we can give a mouth like this, like happy mouth. Yeah, all right, let's go. Happy mouth. Okay, all right. Okay guys, this is the final result of Bilimbi fruit, and hope you guys enjoy, hope you guys learning something today. Don't forget to subscribe and then see you in the next video. Bye bye guys, thank you so much, bye bye.